They say new is always better, faster, safer, more efficient. But ask a true car enthusiast, and you'll hear a very different story. Classic cars weren't built in wind tunnels or sculpted by AI algorithms. They were born in an era where passion met precision. Each engine roared with a personality. Each curve was hand-designed, not data mined. These machines weren't just transportation, they were art. But the modern world is obsessed with progress. Touchscreens have replaced chrome menus. Silence has replaced engine drums. And yet, despite the technological leaps, something feels missing. That's where the controversy begins. Classic car lovers are often labeled as stubborn, out of touch, even irresponsible. Why cling to outdated machines when Teslas can drive themselves? Critics ask. But here's the truth. They don't drive classics because they need to. They drive them because they want to. Because these machines remind them of something real, something raw, something human. Owning a classic car isn't logical, it's emotional. It's the smell of old leather, the rattle in the door.